Want to stop stressing about money? These 3 habits changed everything for me. Habit number 1, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. Simple, powerful. Habit number 2, open a high-interest savings account. Even a few percent interest adds up fast. This is how your money starts working for you. Habit number 3, only use one credit card. Pay it off in full each month. No debt, no stress. Start with these 3 simple steps, like share and subscribe for real-life financial tips. Life on a ledger, your money, your move. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.